Good morning, students. Today we are going to study here this next chapter, fifth one, decimal fractions. Decimal fractions. Decimal means point. Fractions see here. One word problem is given. Nandu went to a shop to buy a pen. One day, Nandu went to a shop and he buy a one pen, notebook, eraser and paint box. The shopkeeper told him the prices. A pen cost 4.5 rupees. He went to a shop and he buy a one pen. One pen, price of this one pen 4.5 rupees. 4.5 rupees. Then an eraser 1. Eraser 1. Eraser 1 and a half. One eraser price is 1.5. Then a notebook. Notebook 1 price is this notebook 6.5 rupees. 6.5 rupees. And a paint box. Paint box. He buy a one paint box. Price of this paint box is 25 rupees and 50 paise. 25 rupees and 50 paise. Nandu bought one of each article, prepare his bill. If Nandu gave a 100 rupees note, then how much money does he get back? Nandu gave to a shopkeeper 100 rupees note. Then how much money does he get back? Firstly, you see here he buy how many rupees of these things. See here 0, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20 means he has 0, 2 carry. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 8 and here 1 carry means 38 rupees. He buy all these things of these prices is 38 rupees and he gave to a shopkeeper 100 rupees notes. Then you subtract here 100 rupees notes minus 38 rupees. See here. Here point 0 minus 8 means here 10 minus 8 2. Then here 7. 7 minus 3. Sorry, here 9. 9 minus 3 6. Means he get back 62 rupees. Nandu will get 60 rupees back. While solving these problems with the units rupees, paise, meter, centimeters, we have used fractions with up to 2 decimal places. When solving these problems with units kilogram, gram, kilometer, meter, liter, milliliter, we have to use fractions with up to 3 decimal places. See, solving these problems rupees, paise, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Meter, centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then we have used these fractions of the 2 decimal places. See here, 1 rupees. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 100 paise. And when paise is converted into rupees, then here 2 decimal places here. See here 100 means here 0.001 here. Then 1 divided by 100. See here, after these 2 decimal places here 0.01. Then we have used these solving problems with units kilogram, gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Kilometer, meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Liter, milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Then you have to use fractions with these 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places 1 kg. 1 kg is equal to here 1000 gram, and 1 gram is equal to how many kg? See here, 1 divided by this 1000, then you place here 3 decimal places, 1 2 3, means here 0.001. Here this 2 decimal places, and here see this 3 decimal places. Then 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram there, and half kg is equal to 500 gram. Below this 1 kg means 1000 gram. Then half kg means 500 gram. Half means 500 gram. You know this 3/4 kg. 3/4 kg means 3/4 means 750 gram. Then 1/4 kg. 1/4 kg. 1/4 kg means 1/4. Then 250 gram. 250 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Half kg means 500 gram. 3/4 3/4 kg is equal to 750 gram, and 1/4 means 1/4 kg is equal to 250 gram. Now to find out this total weight of these vegetables, let us add using both units kilogram and grams in turn. Here one example is given here. Reshma bought some vegetables. They included 3/4 kilo potatoes. 3/4 kilo potatoes. Potatoes 3/4 kilo. 3/4 means 750 gram. Then onions 1 kilo. 1 kilo means 1000 gram. Then cabbage, half a kilo cabbage. Cabbage half a kilo means 500 gram. And a 1/4 kilo tomatoes. 1/4 kilo tomatoes. Tomatoes 250 gram. Then this convert into decimals. 750 gram means this convert into gram in kilogram. 0.750. 0.750. This onions 1000 gram means 1.000 gram. Then cabbage here 500, you change these decimal places 1 2 3 after, means here 0.500. Then this tomatoes 250 gram means here kg in 0.250 kg. Then do this addition. This addition total weight 0.0522500 gram. And this see here 0, here also 0, here 5, and here 2. 2.500 kg. Note the similarly between this addition of these integers and this addition of these decimal fractions. Total weight of these vegetables is 2500 gram. That is 2500 divided by this 1000 kg. That is answer is 2.500 kg. We know that this 2.500 means 2.5. Means the weight of these vegetables in Reshma's bag is 2.5 kg. And say this practice set 14. In the table below, write the place value of each the digits in the number. Here numbers given, and you write this place value of this decimal number. practice set 14. Write the place value of each of the digits in the number. This number is given here 378.025. Firstly, you see this right side of these decimals. First place is this 10th place, then 100th place, then this 1000th place. Then first place this 10th place 100 thousands. This place is thousands. Means 5 by 1000. Then these two places 100th place. 100th means 2 by 100. The 0 place is 10th place. 10th place 0 by 10 means 0 answer. Then this left side of these decimals 8 number. Here first place is unit place, 10 place, and this 100 place. 8 is unit 8 place 8. This 7 10 place means 70. This 3 100 place. 100 place means this 300. Here 5 by 1000. Then you convert also in these decimals means 0.005. Then 2 by 100 means 0.02. Here 0 by 10 means also 0 answer. Then here unit place 8, 10 place 7 means 70, and 100 place 3 means 300. Then you write here below this place value 378.025 is equal to answer 300 plus 70 plus 8 plus this 0 plus this 0.02 plus 0.005. In this type this place value of these decimal numbers. Then this remaining part tomorrow. Okay.